The Koreans in LA have been keeping this spot a secret amongst themselves. The restaurant name is in Korean, and unless a Korean brings you here, you'd probably never know they existed. They're the only Korean barbecue in LA that uses charcoal grills and is all you can eat. Charcoal grills are rare and considered superior for taste and authenticity. Another spot, Soup Bowl Jeep, has been blowing up for it, but they're not all you can eat while this place is. Their classic menu is $40. Here's what to order. You can keep your stuff in the stools and they don't get smelly. We started with their fresh banchan and an order of brisket, of course. The meat quality is very clearly good, to the point where you don't have to be Korean to tell. The menu includes stew, a piping hot steamed egg, and these marinated onions. They kind of taste like tacos. They've got the old school vents to contain the smell better. I wanted rice paper and they brought this. I made them go get more. Not the best, but I'm surprised they even have it. My Korean friends were up to their antics and made sesame oil and salt soju. His face says it all. If you like brisket, try beef belly too. It's like brisket but fattier, so it tastes better. I left a butt print on my meat sweats. Had a little intermission for pork belly, but for the most part we just ate brisket and beef belly. They were so good. They have a scorched rice dish I've also never seen at other places. This is my Korean friend's favorite Korean barbecue spot, and I think is mine now too. They're called Juku Juku.